Hello all. Let us see about the general training writing tips in IELTS. The general training writing test is made up of two tasks, writing task 1 and writing task 2. The topics in each task are of general interest. In writing task 1, you will be given a situation where you will need to write a letter to request information or explain the situation. In writing task 1, you have to write a letter to request information or explain the situation. You might be asked to write a letter to suggest how to improve facilities at the library. So the examiners will look at your ability to provide general and factual information in relation to the task, express needs, wants, likes and dislikes, as well as opinions, views and complaints. Task 1 deals with writing a letter. Task 2. It is a little different. You will be asked to write an essay in response to a point of view, argument or problem. You will be assessed on whether you can provide general factual information. This is very important. In general training, task 2, writing, you must provide general factual information, outline a problem, present a solution, justify an opinion or evaluate and challenge ideas, evidence or an argument. Thank you.